First of all, tomorrow your exam, third terminal exam will be start. Pharmacology syllabus বলে দিয়েছে? হ্যালো
স্যার সাজেশন দিন।
ফার্মাকোলজি সিলেবাস আমি গুগল ক্লাসরুমে আমার পোর্শনটা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? এছাড়া স্বর্ণজিৎ স্যার হচ্ছে কার্ডিওভাস্কুলার সিস্টেম, কোনটা পড়িয়েছে ওনার সঙ্গে কথা বলে নিও। নেক্সট অর্ঘ্য স্যার কি পড়িয়েছে? অর্ঘ্য স্যার বলেছে কিছু? হ্যালো সোমনাথ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
অর্ঘ্য স্যার কি পড়িয়েছে বা
স্যার
কোনটা
আমার
চ্যাপ্টার?
লাস্টের ক্লাসটা স্যার জয়েন করা হয়নি, লাস্টের দিনের ক্লাসটা।
না না সেটা না, অর্ঘ্য স্যার কিছু বলেনি কোন?
স্যার লাস্টের দিনের ক্লাসটা কিছু বলেছেন, আমি বলতে পারবো না, জিজ্ঞাসা করুন অন্য কাউকে।
তা কেউ আর আদার্স কেউ? তো তুমি খেয়াল রাখো নি যে কি বলেছে? কালকে তো কয়েকদিন পরে ফার্মাকোলজি কবে আছে? আচ্ছা হ্যালো, আচ্ছা আমি যে এটা পাঠিয়েছিলাম না, মানে স্লটে যে প্রোগ্রাম শিডিউলটা ওয়ার্ড ফাইলে,
স্যার 6 তারিখে আছে, 6 তারিখ।
ওই যে প্রোগ্রাম শিডিউলটা পাঠিয়েছিলাম,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওইটা একবার আমাকে আবার একবার শেয়ার করো তো।
ঠিক আছে, পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি স্যার।
তো আমার কাছে কেন মিসিং দেখাচ্ছে? হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে করে দাও। হ্যাঁ আমার পোর্শন থেকে শর্ট কোশ্চেনই থাকবে। শর্ট তার মধ্যে রয়েছে প্রোটিন সিনথেসিস ইনহিবিটর, ম্যাক্রোলাইড অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক, অ্যামাইনোগ্লাইকোসাইড, আর কি বলেছিলাম, আর মানে অ্যান্টিভাইরাল, এই কয়েকটা চ্যাপ্টার থাকবে। অ্যান্টিফাঙ্গাল থাকবে না এখন, এইবার এইবার না, আর থাকবে না, আর পরীক্ষা নেবই না। নেক্সট একবারে ফাইনাল এক্সামে যা থাকবে থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? তো বাট ক্লাসটা কন্টিনিউ চলতে থাকবে। যে যে পোর্শনগুলো রেস্ট অ্যামাউন্ট যেগুলো রয়েছে, রেস্ট পোর্শন, সেগুলো ডিসকাস করে দেবো তোমাদের। স্বর্ণজিৎ স্যারের কি ক্লাস শেষ, মানে সিলেবাস শেষ? হ্যালো
Yes, sir. Safe.
হ্যালো, কেউ কথা বলো না কেন? আরে স্বর্ণজিৎ স্যারের সিলেবাস শেষ?
Yes, sir. Safe, sir.
শেষ, ভেরি গুড।
One syllabus safe, sir.
তো আমার অলমোস্ট ফার্মাকোলজি শেষ, অনলি দ্য মাই পোর্শন ইজ লেফট, মানে কিছু পোর্শন বাকি আছে, তাই তো? তো সেক্ষেত্রে I take the class in the another day because Monday is the problem, but now the routine is change. I think Monday change, another day I will be announced very মানে next week, মানে আমি তোমাদের পরে জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি যে কোন উইকে সুবিধা হবে, আমি জানিয়ে দেবো রুটিন দেখে, ঠিক আছে?
স্যার অ্যান্টিভাইরালটা
তো
এবারে দিচ্ছি।
এক্সাম সেম অ্যাজ লাইক অ্যাজ বিফোর, ওই এর সাইটে তোমাকে আপলোড করা থাকবে এবং ওখান থেকেই এক্সাম দিতে হবে। তো ফলে আর এই বিষয়ে আশা করি কারো কোনো প্রবলেম আর নেই। লাইক গো টু দ্য ক্লাস, মানে ডাইরেক্ট ক্লাস অ্যান্টিফাঙ্গাল, because my huge portion is not covered because last few days I do not take the classes regularly.
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ
স্যার ওই ফ্রন্ট পেজের একবার ওয়ার্ড ফাইলটা একটু শেয়ার করে দেবে।
ফ্রন্ট পেজের অর্ডার ফাইল কারো কাছে নেই এখন আর? সোমনাথ, কেন তোমার কাছে নেই কেন?
পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি স্যার, পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
ছিল স্যার,
গ্রুপে দিয়ে দাও তো একবার।
সেট হয়েছিল বলে ডিলিট হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা ফোনে ঠিক আছে, আরেকবার শেয়ার করে দাও ফ্রন্ট পেজ আর টাইম টেবিলটা। হ্যাঁ সোমনাথ, গ্রুপে
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
একবার ফ্রন্ট পেজ আর টাইম টেবিলটা শেয়ার করে দাও। ওকে, last class we discussed about the antifungal drugs. This is not a common disease, but sometimes it will be very much fatal. কতদূর হয়েছিল বলো তো? এগুলো হয়েছিল না?
হয়নি স্যার।
দেখো 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 দেখে যাও, এটা হয়েছিল মনে হয় নাকি? আগের দিন দেখে নিলে ভালো, তো অনেকদিন আগে ক্লাস হয়েছিল। এটা হয়েছে না হয়নি? হুম, কেউ বলতে পারছে না, কেউ মনে রাখে না, যে পড়ছে সেও মনে রাখে না, যে পড়াচ্ছে সেও মনে রাখে না। 19 আছে 67, আর খুলে দেখলে হয়ে যেত। তো lipid formulation of amphotericin B. Amphotericin B is a good antifungal drugs. This amphotericin B lipid complex, because this amphotericin B, how to formulate it? One is the lipid complex amphotericin B colloidal solution and the liposomal amphotericin. So these are the three types of formulation of amphotericin B, and amphotericin B is the most widely used antifungal drugs. Anabolic drugs which complex with the ALBC, this type of polar anterior, and the lipids and amphotericin B, these are the components. And this 35% of amphotericin B is incorporated in the ribbon-like particles of the dimyristoyl phospholipids. Actually, this amphotericin B, which is formulated in the form of phospholipid or with the lipids, and A, B, C, D amphotericin B colloidal dispersion. Sometimes it is a colloidal dispersion, dispersive particles containing the 50% of which an amphotericin B cholesterol ester in the aqueous dispersion. These are the another types of formulation for amphotericin B for better bioavailability. Another most common generally use the antifungal drugs in the form of the liposomes. A liposomal drug delivery system, one of the most novel drug delivery system by which any types of drugs, any lipid insoluble drug, water lipid soluble drug can be incorporated by this formulation, this liposomal drug delivery system. Nowadays the liposomal society, one liposomal drug so many drugs can be formulated in this formulation. Liposomal, the small amino vesicle এগুলো হয়ে গিয়েছিল, 10% AMB incorporated into the ECV made by the lecithin. Lecithin is the one of the lipids just emulsifying agent or lipid formulation 20 to 50 times more expensive than the amphotericin B deoxycholate. And the major advantage of the lipid AMB formulation is the milder acute action, can be used in the intolerance or can be conventional preparation, lower the nephrotoxicity or anemia, and deliver the amphotericin B to stress of the liver, spleen useful. These are the macrophages in that types of how it will be the liposome, and liposome infusion degraded, and finally the erythrocyte vesicle. So liposomal drug delivery, which will be incorporated, how it will be incorporated into the inside the cell, and that will be released. Okay. Another most important drug due to exage fungal infection, which is obtained from the Streptomyces nodaceae, and similar to amphotericin B in the antifungal properties and highly sensitive systemic toxicity, so used locally only, and poorly absorbed from the mucous membrane. Amphotericin is the orally, but nystatin is quite less absorbed in the oral absorption. And availability of the ointment, cream, powder or tablet, it will be available in the ointment, cream, powder and the tablets, and used in the 5 lakhs U that in the intestinal molluscs. This is the type of fungal infection, and 1 lakh unit in case of vaginitis, and prevention of the oral candidiasis can be used in the oral cutaneous and conjunctivitis candidiasis. So candidiasis, one of the fungal infection, in that case nystatin is a very useful drug and adverse with the gastrointestinal disturbance. So that's why it's better, it will be used as the ointment, cream and powder, but never need use tablet. When it is needed, it is tablet, then it is with tablet, because this tablet dosage form which produces the gastrointestinal disturbance with the oral tablet. And hyamycin or hyacin, this is a Streptomyces primea, and Hindustan antibiotic primary and more water soluble and fraction based orally but undurable systemic infection. Topically used in the thrush. This is the oral thrush. It is also it is one type of fungal infection, especially the penicillin used for the oral thrush, but sometimes the hyomycin is used in the cutaneous candidiasis, trichomoniasis, monoaniasis, vaginitis, otococcus, and aspergillus. So these are all, you can just remember the it is a hot type of infection. These are the terminology: cutaneous candidiasis, trichomoniasis, monolysis, vaginitis, osteomyelitis, and aspergillus. These are all fungal infection. Just you can remember it, what are the term and how it will be occurs and what are the main causative organisms. Or basically it is broadly, it is a fungal infection. Next is the natamycin, similar to nystatin, broad spectrum also, and used topically 1 to 3% ointment, and furosemide, solanki, keratitis, trichomonas, and the Molyneux vaginitis. In that case, this natamycin is used as an antifungal drug. Next is the most important and previously used, the griseofulvin. The griseofulvin is one of the most important antifungal drugs which are used in wide way, but they are having simultaneously some good adverse effect also. So one of the early antibiotics from the penicillin, griseofulvin, and the fungistatic systemic drug for the superficial fungal infection, active against the most dermatitis, and the dermatophytes concentrate its actively, hence the selective toxicity and resistance, loss of concentrating the ability. And the mechanism of action of griseofulvin, this is very important. Griseofulvin interact with the polymerization of microtubules and disrupt the mitotic spindle. Just you can remember it. This mechanism of action of griseofulvin, even most of the year or in case of different types of competitive exam. What are the mechanism action of griseofulvin? No others, only you can remember the griseofulvin mechanism action. It is polymerize microtubules and disrupt the mitotic spindle, thus arresting the fungal mitosis. Okay, so be careful. These are the process by which these are the microbes, and this griseofulvin, that will be the spindle, the polymerization of microtubules and disrupt the mitotic spindle. Mitotic spindle ta hote bondho kore diche, and this griseofulvin will ultimately to inhibit the fungal infection. What are the pharmacokinetics? Oral administration, irregular absorption, increased by fatty food and microfine particles, and get concentration in the keratinized tissue and metabolized in the liver and excreted in the urine. And T-half is 24 hour. So very long times in case of griseofulvin. So their effect is a longer period of time, but the oral administration is irregular absorption rate is not high, and also various side effects also. But griseofulvin still, it is one of the most important antifungal drugs used in the different types of fungal infection. The griseofulvin generally is metabolized by the liver and the P450 isoenzymes, microsomal enzymes actually. These are the enzymes which can metabolize it. Adverse event, the headache, most common, GI disturbance, CNS symptoms like confusion, fatigue, vertigo, then imbalance of the body, peripheral neuritis, rashes, photoallergy. Sometimes griseofulvin called the photoallergy will be reported, and transient leukopenia or albuminuria. That means leukopenia, that means leukocyte will be decreased, or albumin will be released through the urine. That is albumin. Used systemically or used in the dermatophytes infection topically. And the systemic azoles more active and preferred. Duration of treatment depend upon the site thickness of keratins and tumors of the keratin. And treatment must be continued till infected tissue is completely relapsed by the normal skin, hair or nail. In case of nail infection, দেখবে অনেকের ক্ষেত্রে নেল গুলো পচে যায়, রোটেন হয়ে যায়, hair or nail. In that case, griseofulvin is one of the most important drug to prevent them. Sometimes also penicillin also used. তবে নখের গোড়ায় অনেক সময় পচে যায়, at that case যদি penicillin powder তুমি দিয়ে দাও তাহলে it will be cured. And griseofulvin simultaneously, griseofulvin also same importance. You can use it for the fungal infection of skin, nail or hair. Okay, so these are the use of griseofulvin and duration. Generally body, skin 3 weeks, palm, sole 4 to 6 weeks, finger snail 4 to 6 months, and toy snail 8 to 12 months. So duration, a longer period of time and infection, so it will be treated it, otherwise it will be not cured completely, and the time period. The Graciophalcine should be reserved for the nails, hairs, and larger body surface involvement of the interaction with the warfarin, which is the oral anticoagulants, and OPC, oral contraceptive pill, and phenobarbital disulfiram like reaction also. So these are the drugs which are react with the Graciophalcine, and these are 5-flucytosine. These are the newer drugs, the prodrugs, pyrimidine analog, flucytosine actually pyrimidine analog or anti-metabolite converted in the 5-fluorouracil, which is acts as a anti-tumor activity or anti-cancer activity. Human cell contain the convert to 5-fluorouracil, adverse effect, bone marrow toxicity, then bone marrow depression, there is a chance of anemia, GI tract alopecia, that means hair loss, and skin rashes, itching, sometimes itching, and rarely the hepatitis. Used in the combination with the AMB amphotericin B in the cryptococcal meningocytis and narrow spectrum of activity of flucytosine. So there is a flucytosine, and the flucytosine will enter into the body and the fungal cell. Then the 5-fluorouracil will become this 5-difluorodime that is inhibit the D-uridine monophosphate to DNTP thymine monophosphate, and this thymidinylate synthase, actually this 5-flucytosine, which is basically inhibit the thymidinylate synthase. Thymidinylate synthase, which is the main enzyme which is conversion of UMP to TMP, uridine to thymine and to DNA. So fungal DNA cannot be formed due to hamper the DUMP to DTMP by the enzyme competitive enzyme inhibition of thymidinylate synthase. So decrease the DMP, delete the inhibition of DNA synthesis, and the cell division will be arrested, and finally the fungal will be killed. Advantage of the combination: entry of the 5-fluorouracil, reduce the toxicity, rapid culture conversion, reduce the duration of therapy, and decrease the resistance also. Difference between the AMB and 5-fluorouracil: AMB active drug and broad spectrum antifungal, antibiotic, and antifungicidal, but not absorb, highly protein bounding, no BBA, blood-brain barrier, and metabolized in the liver, and highly efficacious, IV, intrathecal, and topical. As well, synthetic antifungal agents. There is another types of broad spectrum, fungistatic, fungicidal, depend upon the cone phloem, and most common used in the classified imidazole and triazole. Actually, this azole and imidazole, these are the types of antifungal drugs which are used for the different types of infection, but rather than the amphotericin B or amphotericin or Graciophalcines. But this azole by imidazole, these are the drugs which are used in this case of specific treatment. So here the imidazole derivative, this is ketoconazole, miconazole, and cotrimazole. These are the 3 drugs which are used prominently in the different types of disease. In the case of UTI, urinary tract infection, or the systemic ketoconazole, or newer butaconazole or oxyconazole. So these are the drugs, or fluconazole, which is available on the CT scan in case of UTI infection or itching in the urethra. In that case, this imidazole derivative, which is helpful, very much helpful, or treated for the fungal infection. Triazole 3 nitrogen in the azole, the fluconazole, istraconazole, voriconazole, and traconazole topical use or by the superficial infection. Both of these groups structurally related compound have a same mechanism of action and have a similar antifungal spectrum of mechanism of action. The squalene, there is a very common compound is squalene to lancesterol to ergosterol. As is that this is ergosterol is the main component for the synthesis of the cell wall of the fungus, that will be inhibited by the tarbinafine, which is reduce the squalene 2 to 3p epoxide and 14 alpha demethylase or decrease in the azoles compound. So there is a combination use of antifungal drugs that will be inhibit or kill the fungal infection or fungus. So miconazole and cotrimazole topical use: miconazole 2%. You can remember it, what is the percentage of the this particular antifungal drugs, mycologenol 2% and cotrimazole 1% applied for BD, that means twice a day for 2 weeks. This pityriasis vesiclor, and 4 weeks in the Secris and Captis and Corpiris. These are the types of antifungal infection that will treated by combination with the miconazole and the cotrimazole. Uses in the dermatophytes infection, candida like oral, pharyngeal or vaginal or cutaneous. So these are types of infection by the fungal, and that will be treated by the topically by the mycologenol 2% along with the cotrimazole 1%. Adverse effect: local irritation, itching, burning. Mycologenol showing the higher incidence of the vaginal irritation and pelvic cramps. So in that case, another drug can be used. Ketoconazole, another most important drugs for antifungal agents. First, orally effective broad spectrum antifungal, effective against dermatophytes, deep mycosis and candidiasis. In that case, the lanssterol, which is decrease the ketoconazole, and ultimately the 455, the ergosterol cannot be formed. So the actually most of the antifungal drugs which are inhibit the synthesis of ergosterol. Okay, and ketoconazole is one of the most important drug which are not used for the next, the pharmacokinetics. The pharmacokinetics evenly, it will be orally acidic, environmental flavors the absorption, and highly protein bounding drugs, and really distributed, not cross the blood-brain barrier, and metabolized in the liver, excreted in the bile. যা কোথায় গেল রে? Effective orally and active environmental flavors absorption, high protein bounding, and really distributed in the blood-brain barrier, not in the blood-brain barrier, but metabolized in the liver, excreted in the form of bile, not in the urine. And the T-half is the quite less, 1/3 of the amphotericin B or glycophalbin. And dose is the 200 mg OD or BD once a day, or BD Bcin dye even twice a day. Next, the adverse effect: nausea, vomiting. These are the very common, just you can remember it. Nausea, vomiting, anorexia, that means খাওয়ার কমে যাওয়া, suppression of food, headache, paresthesia, alopecia is very common. As in case of antifungal and in case of anti-cancer drug, there is a most common adverse effect is the alopecia, and decrease the steroid, testosterone and estrogen synthesis, or produce the gynecomastia, oligospermacia, loss of libido, importance in the males, and the menstrual irregularities, and amenorrhea, that means the decrease of the menstruation, and the elevation of the liver enzymes, and hypersensitivity reaction like skin rashes and itching due to ketoconazole. The drug interaction with the ketoconazole. When the ketoconazole is used, in that condition, which type of drug cannot be used? Number 1, amphotericin B. So amphotericin B and ketoconazole both are contraindicated. So when are used the two drugs, never used these two drugs, the cyclosporin phosphatidylate serum concentration will be increases, and 250 by the ketoconazole increases. Ultimately, the metabolites will be less. So ketoconazole is contraindicated only in case of amphotericin. When you amphotericin B is used, never use ketoconazole. When ketoconazole is used, never be used in the amphotericin B. For the uses in case of dermatitis, dermatophytosis, concentration spectrum is cornea, monial pharyngitis 5 to 7 days, and systemic mycosis, histoplasmosis. So these are the very common antifungal fungal infection, and the name is very tough. Just you can remember it. What type of? So basically, you know what are the type of antifungal agents, the classification, and only one or two drugs you can know it, and their pharmacology, like pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Less effective of MBS, amphotericin B, and slower response efficacy, high dose use in the Cushing syndrome. What do you know the Cushing syndrome? Nobody. Right. Next is the fluconazole. Fluconazole, which is available in the 6 can or 1 can. This is a very commonly used the fluconazole. Is the newer water soluble triazole, oral, IV as well as the topical. Fluconazole ointment, fluconazole tablet, fluconazole IV infusion is available in the market, and it will be used in the different, it is a broad spectrum. Generally nowadays most of the fungal infection which is treated by the fluconazoles, and the broad spectrum antifungal activity like candidiasis, cryptogonococcosis, and coccidiomycosis, and dermatophytosis, blastomyces, histoplasmosis, and psoriatrichosis, not effective against the aspergillosis and mycophasis. So these are the two conditions that will be not treated by the fluconazoles. Otherwise all are treated by the fluconazole, and fluconazole is the most important drugs now. Presently it is one of the most important antifungal drug used various rather than the amphotericin B or glycophalbin, because it produces some systemic infection, but quite better fluconazole. In the pharmacokinetics of the fluconazoles, what are the pharmacokinetics? Just 90% by 94% bioavailability of the particular drugs, and not affecting the food or gastric pH. So they are quite safe, and primarily excreted and unchanged in the form of urine, and poor protein binding, that is good, and widely distributed across the blood barrier. It is widely distributed but cross the blood barrier is very small. What are the adverse effects produced by the fluconazole? GI upset, headache, alopecia, skin rash, abscess, necrosis, teratogenic effect. That means for teratogenic, two types of, one is the phocomelia or amelia, any deformity in the fetus. But still now it is used. It is do not used in case of pregnancy or lactating mother. And cytochrome P450 enzyme inhibition properties less interactive and effective hepatitic drugs metabolism and excretion. No anti-androgenic and other endocrinic effect. যেটা অন্য ড্রাগের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা দেখলাম টেস্টোস্টেরন or estrogen synthesis prevent করে দেয়, but this fluconazole quite safe in case of androgenic secretion. What are the uses of fluconazole? Candidiasis. Actually it will be available in the 150 or 300 in the 300 grams oral dose, and cure for the vaginal candidiasis with a few relapse condition in that case, and oral candidiasis 2 weeks treatment, and tinea infection or a cutaneous infection 150 mg weekly for 4 weeks, and tinea anguinea for 12 months. Systemic fungal infection, the candidiasis, streptococcal and staphylococcus meningitis 200 to 400, and it will be per day, and 4 to 12 weeks or a longer period of time. In case of meningitis, preferred drugs. Next is the itraconazole. Fluconazole and itraconazole, the same group of drugs, broadest spectrum. So itraconazole, fluconazole much better use than the itraconazole. Broadest spectrum of activity, slow against the aspergillus and fungistatic but effective in the immunocompromised, does not inhibit the hormone synthesis and not serious hepatotoxicity. not serious hepatotoxicity. Okay, this is itraconazole. The same pharmacokinetics, it is just not, you can just read out. There is no need of understanding, and you can think the same. Just what are the treatment of itraconazole? This is a triazoles, itraconazole versus fluconazole. Itraconazole versus fluconazole. Itraconazole is very absorbed, metabolized by the cytochrome 450 and completely absorbed by the better tolerance and renal excretion and less endocrine effect, but occurs at the high doses. Less endocrine effect and penetrate oil in the CSF also, cerebrospinal fluid, less penetration in the CSF, drug interaction, many drug interaction due to the inhibition of cytochrome 450 or 3A4. So fluconazole is quite better than the itraconazole. Okay, so up to this I think today, because another class also. So any question regarding this up to this, please ask me. Otherwise, next day we complete the next rest portion of the antifungal drugs. Actually, this is enough, but just you can I can complete the rest portion of the antifungal essence. Okay, but today I stop this here because another class also in the 10:50 AM. Hello. Any question up to this? Actually, antifungal agent just you can